I'm pretty sure most of you notice hyaluronic acid literally in everything. You will find this active ingredient in mostly every skincare product. Moisturizers, serums, cleansers, and more. And in this video, we will talk about why. Please subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up so this channel keeps growing. First of all, let's figure out what is hyaluronic acid. Hyaluronic acid, or HA, is a molecule naturally produced by the body that's found in bones, connective tissue, cartilage, hair follicles, and skin. As a humectant, it helps skin retain moisture. And what is so magical about HA, it can bind up to 1,000 times its weight in water. In other words, it functions as a humectant and holds water molecule onto the surface of your skin to keep it nice and hydrated. And we like hydration. Anytime we're talking about skin that's well moisturized, we are mainly referring to skin that has a lot of water content. It's about time we talk about hyaluronic acids, its benefits for skin, and why molecular weight of an ingredient is important. It plays a pivotal role in the wound healing process and decreases as we age, making us more susceptible to sagging and wrinkles. Since it is a naturally occurring substance, it is well tolerated by all skin types and is non-irritating. What does hyaluronic acid do for your skin? Hyaluronic acid found in moisturizers and serums can help to reduce wrinkles and fine lines by creating a barrier that retains water in the skin. So basically plumps up the skin. And here are more benefits of HA. Anti-aging, wound healing, moisturizing, anti-wrinkle, increases skin elasticity, can treat facial redness, can treat eczema. Let's talk about pairing of hyaluronic acid with other active ingredients in skincare. So number one is ceramides. Ceramides are made up of long-chain fatty acids that link with other important molecules to produce cellular function. Ceramides help create a barrier to prevent the permeability. This locks moisture into your skin, which helps prevent dryness and irritation. It may also help protect your epidermis and environmental damage. These benefits may have anti-aging effects. Fine lines and wrinkles are often more noticeable when your skin is dry. Locking in moisture may minimize their appearance. Why is hyaluronic acid paired with ceramide? In skincare products, they both keep the skin barrier fully functioning and improve hydration retention. The very first step for healthy, younger skin that is smoother, firmer, plumper, more elastic with minimized fine lines and wrinkles, which is less prone to redness and irritation. We also pair it with vitamin C. Vitamin C is an anti-aging superstar. Applying vitamin C to the skin may help defend against free radicals, prevent photoaging, boost collagen and elastin production at any age. It reduces hyperpigmentation, brightens dark spots, have an anti-inflammatory effect to help treat acne and rosacea, exfoliate skin, prevent premature skin aging by protecting the skin from oxidative stress. And you can watch my video on vitamin C here. So why is hyaluronic acid paired with vitamin C in skincare products? It's not coincidence. Hyaluronic acid helps keep skin moisturized, while vitamin C protects from sun damage and can help fade skin discoloration. Both ingredients can help reduce the signs of aging in skin, especially when they are used together. We also pair it with retinol. By the way, I made a video on how to start using retinol. It's one of the most important ingredients for anti-aging and you can watch it here. Retinol is one of the best known skincare ingredients on the market. An over-the-counter version of retinoids. Retinol is derived from vitamin A. Retinol is primarily used to treat the following skin conditions: fine lines, wrinkles, sunspots, other signs of sun damage, sometimes called photoaging, uneven skin tone, texture, melasma, and other types of hyperpigmentation. Why hyaluronic acid is paired with retinol and skincare products together? They have a sort of synergetic effect, making it easier to reap the benefits of retinol without suffering any of the usual dryness and irritation from retinol. Hyaluronic acid helps keep retinol in check, increasing the permeability of the skin, so when combined, the two ingredients can leave your skin clearer, smoother and more hydrated and moisturized. As you see, HA is a great moisturizing and anti-aging ingredient which is well tolerated by all skin types, but we cannot exclude some negative effects of using it in skincare. And subscribe to my channel so you can get more of this type of content. Thankfully, on its own, HA tends to not cause allergic reactions since our bodies also make it. Fortunately, cosmetic chemists have the science done, so we can defer to their expertise and what people say about certain HA products. But if you're formulating your own, basically combining serums, know that not all hyaluronic acid is the same. It may have side effects. There are some varieties of HA that are a bit controversial, and increased levels are actually linked to inflammation, skin disease like psoriasis. One study found that an application of HA actually slowed down wound healing compared to just pure glycerin. This may have been because of the concentration and molecular weight of the hyaluronic acid used. So here are some of the products that I use and I recommend, and I know they will not cause any issues for you. Number one is Dr. Babor Pro HA Serum. You can use it with anything. So I sometimes, especially in winter when my skin gets a little bit drier than normal, I will apply it under any other products that I use. This is another very good product. It's called HA INTENSIFIER. This basically not only it has hyaluronic acid, it acts to activate your own hyaluronic acid production in your skin, and this is from SkinCeuticals. I highly recommend. It's purple, and also you can use it in combination with any other products that you may want to use. So these two products I personally use. You can purchase them at any of the Woodhouse Day spas. I will provide the link for the Babor purchase that you can purchase online. If you enjoyed this video, you will certainly enjoy my playlist, which contains skincare videos such as vitamin C, retinol, SPF, and many more. And you can watch that next. Until next time.